Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that occurred from the last video I did was the price is now broken back up above that red line, which represents that key resistance there of 9,300. So as of right now, as of the recording, a breakout is underway, and now the big question going forward is just simply how much further is this breakout going to break, or is going to build upon itself? Which brings us to the first question that you want to ask yourself, and that question, actually, let me just bring this line up here, is where is the price at relative to that area at 10,000? If you're answering the question, let's just use the 15-hour number. If you're watching this video 15 hours from now and you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, the price is up above 10,000, all that's telling you is that this current breakout has not only continued to work upwards, but it actually got a next breakout by getting up through this very stubborn area, which is shown up in the past. And that would definitely be a great sign of power. So in other words, if you're answering the question that the price is above 10,000, then that is a very, very bullish situation. Whether it's, 10 hours from now or 20 hours from now, that would be a great sign. With that being said, if you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is actually still down below 10,000, that doesn't mean anything negative, but that is where the next key update comes into play. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And definitely you want to see 9,300 now act as support, meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still actually down below 10,000, the next immediate question becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,300? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above 9,300, then overall, this would still be a very healthy consolidation. I mean, let's say that it comes down here. So you're asking the question, and right now it's sitting right at 9,300. I mean, even in that situation, think what that would still be showing us from the bigger picture. That'd still be showing some sort of consolidation like here. In other words, this set of bases is much higher than where it was previously down there. And that's what you want to see. You just want to see slow and steady progress over time. So like I said, as long as you're answering the question that the price is above 9,300, then that would be a great sign. What you don't really want to see is be answering the question that the price is down below 9,300. Because if the price is down below there, what does that imply? Well, that implies that the movement has gone down to the breakout point and then dropped down below it. Or in other words, the price has gone back to where it was, which is not exactly the sign of a true breakout, right? A true breakout will keep on breaking out, right? It's going to show signs of progress. And again, that quote unquote sign of progress being there at 9,300. But all in all, like I said, a breakout is now underway. Let's see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.